What's up guys, welcome back to the Phono Guy, and in this video I am going to do a speed test comparison between the Huawei Nova 3i, which is the latest device, and next up is the Mate 10 Lite, which was released in the past year. So I am going to have a speed test between these two devices, and starting with the specifications of both these devices. The Nova 3i is having 4GB of RAM. This is not the 6GB RAM model. It is running on Kirin 710 processor, which is the latest mid-range processor by Huawei, and this is the first phone which is coming with this processor. And next up, talking about the Mate 10 Lite, the same 4GB of RAM is present, but it is running on a Kirin 659 processor. So without any further delay, let's get started, and we are going to start the stopwatch right away. And you can see there is no app running in the background. Both are connected to the same internet connection, and we have started over first round. And in the first round I will check out the speed and time taken by each device to load the specific set of applications, which is almost the same. Only one difference is now we have the Asphalt 9 in Nova 3i, and recently we had the Asphalt 8. And in the next round I will be checking out the RAM management on both these devices. So right now we are going on to the first round, and you can see we are opening the applications, and both are almost head to head to each other. And now we are going to retrieve a clip of 10 seconds, which is the same length clip on both the devices, and let's see which device completes it faster. And you can clearly see it is faster on Nova 3i, and it is moving ahead of Mate 10 Lite, and it is still retrieving a clip. So next up we are moving to the gaming section. We have a set of 4 games, and Nova 3i clearly taking the lead in the first round. So it will be very interesting to see that which device completes the first round. And right now we are 2 apps ahead on the Nova 3i, and Mate 10 Lite is still loading the Temple Run 2. Now we are moving to the second last application on the Nova 3i, and finally we are on the Asphalt 9. So let's see how much time does it take and which device wins the first round. This is going to be very interesting. And we are moving to the pinout on Mate 10 Lite, and Nova 3i is actually taking a lot of time on Asphalt 9. Actually this is very heavy game, and let's see how much time does the Mate 10 Lite takes on Asphalt 8. So this is going to be very interesting for both these devices. So we are just about to complete, and Nova 3i has loaded the this game, and same is the case with the Mate 10 Lite. Both were very close to each other. So let's see the time, and you can see the Nova 3i has taken a time of 1 minute and 46 seconds, while the Mate 10 Lite has taken the time of 1 minute and 50 seconds. So there is only difference of almost 4 seconds between both these devices to complete the first round. So you can see all these applications are present in the background. So let's start over next round, which is the RAM management test, and see if all these applications which we just opened in the first round are present in the background or not. And you can see right now both these applications both these devices are having these applications running in the background, and we are having no lag and no issue with the RAM management. Actually this is very great to see that all these applications are present in the background. So actually the lab set is loading again on Nova 3i. So Mate 10 Lite is moving very rapidly in the next round, which is the RAM management test, and all applications are present in the background, while Nova 3i 4GB of RAM is not enough, and it is failing to keep these applications running in the background, maybe because of the software and features which are new to this device, and this device needs optimizations. So you can see in the next round, which was the RAM management test, Mate 10 Lite was the clear winner, taking a time of 2 minutes and 27 seconds, while Nova 3i was not able to keep all these applications running in the background. Maybe the 4GB of RAM is not enough, and it has taken a total time of 2 minutes and 37 seconds. And it may be the case that it needs software updates to make the software better optimized to this new hardware, which is Kirin 710 processor. So let's see if this device gets better optimized or not. But right now in the final round, which was a RAM optimization, Mate 10 Lite was a better performer, and Nova 3i couldn't perform well. So that was the speed test. The first round was won by Nova 3i, the next round is won by Mate 10 Lite. So that's it all about this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then give this video a thumbs up, and up till next video, bye bye and peace.